Hey everyone, welcome to the very first video of Photoshop on iPad Masterclass. If you have ever wanted the power of Photoshop but in the comfort of your tablet, this series is for you. Whether you are a graphic designer, a student, a photographer, or just someone who loves to create cool stuff, we are going to explore how Photoshop on iPad lets you design, draw, edit, and experiment anywhere, anytime. In this video, we are not touching any button yet. Instead, I am giving you bird's eye view of what Photoshop on iPad actually is, how it's different from the desktop version, and where it shines in creative workflows. By the end, you know exactly what to expect and how to get the most out of it without wasting time in searching features that aren't there. Photoshop on iPad is just Adobe Photoshop rebuilt for touch. It's not just a mini version, it's a reimagined version. You get core Photoshop tools, layers, selections, masks, brushes, text, and powerful image editing features, all optimized for a touch screen and Apple Pencil. The focus is speed, mobility, and creativity on the go. You can start a project at your desk, then continue it at a cafe, on a train, anywhere. Now let's be honest, it's not the full desktop version. Some advanced features like 3D tools, complex filters, or certain plug-in integration aren't here yet. Think of it like this. If Photoshop is a Swiss Army knife, Photoshop on iPad is the sleek multi-tool. Everything you use 80% of the time in a lighter, portable package. And Adobe keeps updating it, so features keep rolling in. So who benefits the most? Digital artists who like to draw directly on the screen, photographers who want to edit the raw files on the go, designers preparing social media posts, quick mock-ups or mood boards, students learning Photoshop without needing a heavy laptop. Basically, if you want Photoshop power without being tied to the desk, this is a game changer. One of the best part is cloud syncing. You can start an illustration on iPad, then open the same PSD file on desktop with every layer intact. No exporting, no weird conversions. It's the same file just updated across devices. This seamless workflow means you don't have to think about where to work. Just open and create. That's the big picture. Photoshop on iPad is powerful, portable, and growing fast. In the next video, we are jumping right in. I will walk you through how to install it, set it up, and get your first document ready. If you are excited to start creating, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's make some amazing work together right from the iPad.